Hey everyone, this is Kapila Thakur Mistry and welcome to my YouTube channel Life with Kapila. Firstly, तो I'm really sorry for not being active on YouTube for really long time. बहुत ज़्यादा बड़ा gap हो गया है, agree. But I was actually stuck in few things and hence I could not be that active on YouTube. But I promise from now on you will see at least one video a week for sure from my end. Alright, before we start, for the ones who have not subscribed to my channel yet, please do it. And for the ones who have already subscribed, thank you so much for your love. I'll continue to entertain with a lot of good content on this channel. Alright, so without further any kind of गपशप, लेट्स मूव इन डायरेक्टली टू द वीडियो. सो आज का टॉपिक आपने ऑलरेडी देख लिया होगा, जो नाम है आज के एपिसोड का, दैट इज व्हाट्स इन माय बेबीज बैग. So let's get started. Before we start, आप देख रहे होंगे, आई जस्ट थॉट ऑफ शोइंग यू ऑल कि बहुत सिंपल सा when you record a video, it is very important कि आपका background बहुत अच्छा हो. And I'll show you something. See, nice, right? So it's very simple, but I love this space. It is really cozy and really nice. So for me to take good pictures and upload videos, sitting here comfortably and recording videos and uploading on YouTube, it's gonna be real fun. So और भी बहुत कुछ बाकी है करना इस particular background pay, but I guess this is looking really nice. I love it. Okay, so let's move on to the video where I'm going to show you what's in my baby's bag. So as you know, I'm a new mom, so obviously I'm somebody who believes in sharing as much knowledge as I can, because जब आप एक्चुअली उस फेज से जाते हो, द रियल चेक कि हाँ अब मैं एक्चुअली आई एम अ न्यू मॉम, आई एम गोइंग थ्रू लॉट ऑफ एक्सपीरियंसेस, और तब वो ताज़ा एक्सपीरियंसेस शेयर करना मतलब इट इज़ out of the world. So I thought if I have certain knowledge, why not spread it across to a lot of my friends who are also new moms and who already have a lot of questions. Every day you have certain questions. And the first thing to start off, I thought let's start with the backpack thing, because it's really important when you travel with the baby, even to a hospital, to a friend's place, to the park, or anywhere. One thing that's really important is कि आपके पास वो सारी चीज़ें available हैं जो आपके बेबी के काम आए, and you don't have to hunt or you're not lost anywhere. So I am really particular about everything that I carry for Naira, and hence I thought of कि मुझे पता है तो let's share it, maybe काफ़ियों को काम आ जाए. So that was the only motive, right? Now सबसे पहले when I say about what's in my bag, choosing the right bag for your baby, for keeping the essentials of your baby is really important. छोटा सा बैग हो तो आपको 3-4 अलग अलग बैग कैरी करने पड़ते हैं. Avoid doing that. So I'll show you this bag, which is really nice, and everything that I have can easily get accommodated in this one bag itself. तो मुझे और बैग की ज़रूरत ही नहीं पड़ती है. So I'll show you how compartments, how many compartments are there. So there's just 2 compartments. Okay, one is the main one, and the very easy go thing, like जो भी immediate चाहिए होते हैं, that is stored here. So this is the second chain. Alright, so 2 ही chain है, but it's quite big enough, like equally you can say easily सारी चीज़ें एक ही बैग में accommodate हो जाती है. So I'll quickly tell you all what all I have in the backpack. Alright, so ज़्यादा लंबा नहीं होगा वीडियो. I'm just gonna be very quick because all the essential things, come on, of course every mama knows it, but what all can be carried थोड़ा helpful हो जाएगा इस वीडियो से. So I'm gonna tell you all. Firstly, I carry good amount of clothes because it's really important. Carrying good clothes for the baby is like एक या 2 पेयर से नहीं चलता. Like for Naira, at least thrice she changes clothes. Can you imagine thrice? one in the morning, then afternoon. अगर बीच में कहीं और ख़राब हो गया या गीला हो गया, you know, you have to change it. You cannot keep the baby in dirty clothes, right? So you have to be very particular. And before sleeping, she has another pair. So obviously, taking good amount of clothes day-wise is really important. That's part one. Always carry an extra napkin. So say for example, कहीं आप कार से जा रहे हैं या any vehicle, you travel, okay? तो कहीं पे भी अगर emergency है कुछ और, you should always have a towel with you, which is really important. So next was keeping a good napkin, clean napkin, which you should not use it. It should only be specifically for the baby. You cannot use it. So I do that. Then I have 2 to 3 bed sheets, like छोटा सा bed sheet है, so I'll show you all. See, like this. Can you see this? So this is a very छोटा सा bed sheet that I put. I don't, you know, if I am using a bed sheet, I don't put Naira directly onto it. For some or the other reason, be very particular. So I've always you know, used such small bed sheets which my mom-in-law has stitched specifically for Naira, and it's really beautiful. It's very nice of her to do that, and it's lovely. So these were also given by her. See this. So it's quite big enough. Okay, so these sheets are also important. Then while we travel, I usually wrap Naira on an extra cloth. And now looking at the situation outside, even if I go to a hospital, if she's wearing clothes already, so of course she wears clothes, so I have this wrap, a baby wrap, always on top of her. It's really cute. I have a entire pair. So this is something which I never forget to carry. It's real cozy also. It's real cozy and I love it. So this is one pair again. Alright. Then I have another necessities like carrying extra diapers. So I'll tell you what brand I use. So I usually use brand from either Flipkart brand, or there's a separate brand of First Cry, which is really nice. So it's not a paid promotion, guys. I'm just telling you all because I love that product. Okay, then after baby diapers, it's baby wipes, very important. Alright, for maintaining the cleanliness, it's really important. Good hygiene habit. Then I have these kind of plastic sheets. So say for example, if Naira isn't wearing a diaper, like she's not wearing a diaper, I always ensure that wherever she's lying down, I always have this kind of sheets. So again, there was a very big, I have a big teddy bear, alright, almost of half a size of mine, and it was wrapped into this. So I used that particular sheet. I've cut it into several pieces, small sheets like this, and I use it as a bed cover for Naira while she's not wearing a diaper. Otherwise, I don't. And then comes the baby product. So say for example, obviously if you're traveling, you cannot travel without baby food, right? So I'm using this, okay, sorry for that. So I'm using this Nan Pro. So it's lactogen, but inside it's Nan Pro number 2, because Naira is 6 months old now. So 6 to 12 months we have a Nan Pro number 2 which is to be used. So the bottle contains, this particular container contains Nan Pro, which is baby food. Okay, for milk I take a bottle always, so this has milk when we travel. I keep one particular bottle always with milk available, because in case of emergency, if she needs it, she has to have milk ready. Alright, so this is Philips Avent, highly recommended, guys. So if any mom is, you know, particularly willing to switch a baby to bottle feeding, best, highly recommended. Alright, next up, so I keep all the very essential ones in this pocket, so that it's highly, you know, easily reachable. Sorry, so I'll show you all what it has. First things first, again, as I said, baby napkins should be always separate. You know, you should not mix up your napkin with a baby napkin or use either way. So see, they get such cute napkins, so I always carry at least a pair of it for, you know, if not 1 or 2 at least is really feasible to keep. You always have to keep it in the bag. It's really easy to carry. Again, this is the another bottle that she uses, which is Pigeon. Again, after Advent, I guess Pigeon is really nice. This is Naira's the most favorite bottle because she can hold it really easily. It's quite small and very cute. So I always keep that. This is something which she started using since she was 3 months. But I don't use that often, but again I tend to not dispose it off because she really likes it. So I've kept that for her. Now I'll come to the other things. Okay, medicines, very important. Always keep these medicines intact wherever you go. Very important, colic drops. Mostly I've experienced Naira having this tendency of the motion sickness kind of thing, because I have the same problem. So once or twice when I've traveled to and fro from my place, in-laws place, to my place, my mom's place. So the traveling involves, wherein she mostly sleeps, doesn't take feeding. That gap leads to acidity and she has struggled a lot. So that is the time when I've started to keep this colic acid with me wherever I go. Very important. If child becomes clumsy or very what do you call it? Chidchidapan aa jata hai, right? So you have to. There's two reasons. Either there's a ear pain or a stomach ache. Stomach ache ke liye this is best. Okay. Next is pacifiers. These are really the most my lifesaver thing because Naira is not used to it, but again while she's sleeping she needs a pacifier. So I always have this with me. I use Avant pacifier mostly. Otherwise, any pacifier. Like you have to see certain what do you call instructions and how to use, when to use. You have to be very particular. It should not happen that your baby becomes too much addicted to the pacifiers. It's not a good thing. Now next is baby oil. So I use Johnson's baby oil. It's almost ending up. So either Johnson's or Figaro. Very good baby oil. So I carry baby oil. I carry everything. Okay, so baby shampoo, Johnson's. Then I have baby cream, Johnson's. Alright, there's no promotion, guys. I'm just telling you what I use. Then I have a very cute container to carry the body powder for baby powder. So I use this for Naira. I have this container. It's very much easily carried. So just fill it and carry instead of that big dabbas of powder. You better take a very cute container and then keep your stuff there. Another very important medicine, guys, it is paracetamol. Again, which is really important if baby has fever or something. I haven't used it much because touch wood, I haven't had that experience with Naira yet. But again, whenever she gets vaccinated, I prefer to keep it because it's really important to be given during vaccination, because most of the kids get fever or diarrhea post vaccination because that really affects them. So it is only recommended then. Otherwise, please consult your pediatrician, then give it. Don't give it because I am saying. Okay. Next is vitamin D3. Again, this is a daily dose for children between the age of, since they are born till 1 year of age. 1 year of age, sorry. Okay, so this is something like 0.5 ml to be given daily once in the morning. So this is something which I never forget and I always keep it with me. Of course, toys, like toys, and this is a sound that I was again and again coming when I was pressing the button, like ting. Okay. So keep some toys always, because if kids go to certain new places, they always want that comfort कि हाँ भाई कुछ तो पहचान की चीज़ दिखे. So I always carry her favorite toys so that she knows कि ठीक है, I'm comfortable, I have my toys, I don't need anything else. So always carry the favorite toys. There are so many. Alright, next up, so I use powder, kajal, whatever I use for the bindi thing, for nazar na lage, you have that. So always keep one particular thing which is always only used for Naira. It doesn't get mixed up with my product. Then her comb. Do you want to see the comb? Look at this. This is so cute. I got it from the Johnson's baby kit. It was inclusive with the kit, like everything that I showed now of Johnson's. So this also had this was also there in the same kit. So yeah, baby kit. So I've started giving Naira Dentonic because she started showing teething symptoms. So I keep this also with her. She loves it. I just give her once. It's not a compulsion to be given again. Recommended, not recommended, sorry, not by me. Speak to your pediatrician. Yeah, before giving it. Okay, next is baby soap. As I said, I don't mix up anything. I always keep everything for her in my bag. Baby soap. And lastly, a teether. It's a really cute teether. I always shop from First Cry. I love that app. This is not sponsored, not promoted, nothing. But I love First Cry. Everything, every damn thing you can get in the same particular app. It was my favorite. Like, I bought this also from First Cry. Alright, so I believe I'm done. Nice, I'm done. Okay, so this was it. I hope I did not take much of your time, and you enjoyed this content, because it was really important for me to share my experience, certain things that I know. I was somewhere in my mind, it was like I have to share it with my friends and family and audience and my YouTube family. So आप किसी ना किसी को तो जानते ही रहोगे जिसका एक बेबी ऑलरेडी है, या जो एक्सपेक्ट कर रही है, या जो ऑलरेडी है, संभाल रही है बच्चा इसी एज फैक्टर. तो अगर आप सोच रहे होंगे कि ये पर्टिकुलर जो वीडियो था, इट इज़ फॉर विच एज ग्रुप, इट इज़ like Naira is 6 months old now. This is applicable for 0 to 6 months, 8 months, because obviously backpack, it is already applicable to everybody, right? You cannot carry your baby without the essentials. One more very important thing, guys. So it's not actually advisable कि आप हर जगह बेबी का फाइल, like the doctor file, baby file, अपने साथ कैरी करें, हॉस्पिटल फाइल आई मीन टू से. सो व्हाट आई डू इज़, जो भी नायरा के रिपोर्ट्स होते हैं, वट एवर, लाइक हिस्ट्री बेसिकली, कहाँ पे बॉर्न हुआ है, द मेडिकल हिस्ट्री जो होता है, सो डिस्चार्ज समरी में एवरीथिंग यू हैव. ओके, एवरी टाइम यू हैव टू हैव दैट पर्टिकुलर स्कैन्ड कॉपी इन योर फोन. एवरी टाइम हैव इट अवेलेबल ऑन योर फोन. यू नो वाई? एनी इमरजेंसी, गॉड फॉरबिड कुछ भी इमरजेंसी हो जाए, तो आप समझो नियरेस्ट हॉस्पिटल में हो जो ऑलरेडी वहाँ पे उसका ट्रीटमेंट हो चुका है, जहाँ पे हिस्ट्री है, ठीक है, दे विल हैव ऑल द रिकॉर्ड only with the name or contact number of yours. But what in case you land up to a location where you don't know any doctor, you have never been to that place, and it is a new record for them, new patient admission for them. So it becomes really difficult for them to understand what history it is, what's the blood group, this, that. So always have these certain important medical related documents on your phone. Take a cam scanner, anything, any scanner for that matter, and always have those list of documents in a PDF format or in your email for easy access. So whenever you land up in an emergency like this, you have it on your phone and you can show it, so it becomes really easy. Alright, so that was it for today's video. Lot of gyan, lot of good things also. I hope ye kaam aaya hoga, and I'll be back with more such interesting content. And as I said, I'll try to be more active, trust me. I'm sorry for the long break that happened, but yeah, I'll see you all soon. Till then, please अपना ध्यान रखिए, बेबी का ध्यान रखिए. Be a very happy mother, then your baby will be happy, trust me. Take out time for yourself, and take good precautions. Don't step out until it's really important or urgent or required. Okay, so I'll see you all soon in my next vlog. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Hit the bell icon also. You'll get a bell icon. Just click that. So whenever मैं कोई नया upload करती हूँ वीडियो, आप notification आपको मिल जाएगा. So please like, share, comment करके बताइए कि आप कौन से videos और मुझसे पसंद करोगे देखना. So I'll definitely work on that and I'll upload it also. So guys, don't forget the drill. Like, comment, share and subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. I'll be back soon. Till then, love you.